This level of realism for shooting? What is Unrecord? Since the first gameplay video for the upcoming first-person shooter Unrecord came out, everyone has been talking about it. The main takeaway from the trailer Bodycam FPS is the photorealistic graphics that have split the internet. Some people like the graphics so much that they don't believe it's real gameplay footage, but some say the game is too real. The French independent game company Drama made and published Unrecord. The game has not been released yet, but the gameplay trailer has already made a lot of noise about it. The gameplay is from the point of view of a police cop or detective's body cam, which gives the game a unique feel. What makes the trailer stand out is, of course, the amazing graphic representation of the stage. The lights and textures bring to life an environment that looks real, but is actually being made in real time. Anyway, the fact that everything seems so real is thanks to the fantastic work of the development team. The moves of the hands and the camera are also very real, which makes everything look better. Is it real? All of the things you see in the video are real. It is a game made with the Unreal Engine 5 engine, but as is usually the case in these situations, you shouldn't take everything you see in the video as face value. The main reason is how well everything works together. It's not that we don't think such performance is possible, it's that the game experience can't be as true to what we see. It will be important to see if the new targeting method with ADS, aim down sights, is real or if those conversations will feel natural. All of these details could make us lose bits of reality that seem unbelievable to us right now, so we'll have to see how the final version of the game works. When will we see that? Well, since its creators showed the first video of the project's idea in October 2022, we've had to wait until now to see the more detailed and realistic gameplay, but the game is still not ready. Worse, it won't be ready for a while. The official file for the game is already on Steam, so you can add it to your list of games you're interested in. However, Studio's Drama hasn't said when it might come out, and they promise it won't be this year, so we'll have to be patient until they do. What's your take on this game, especially the realism? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for similar videos.